What is up and welcome to another video, and join me today guys as we navigate into the very exciting world of crypto and latest news. Let's check the latest news.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
Welcome to the stream, guys. So latest news here. ZZ yesterday, DOJ or the Department of Justice have agreed or is planning to agree that CZ or ZZ could stay in the UAE. But now, according to the latest update, ZZ unacceptable risk of flight should stay in the US. So according to the DOJ, according to the US prosecutor, they're are pushing for ZZ to stay in the country, saying they would not be able to secure his return. The reason for this is he has three, according to them, according to the DOJ, he has three young children and a partner in UAE. Once in the UAE and faced with the prospect of traveling back to the United States to the United States to face up to 18 months in prison, he may elect to instead stay in the UAE. So this is one of the reason why they are not considering the return or the return of ZZ into the UAE. So they want ZZ to stay in the United States. And another news here, a similar situation. Court denies Sam Bankman-Fried's latest request for release, guys. So according to this article from the blog, Sam Bankman-Fried's latest motion for release was denied by a court of appeals. Former FTX CEO, what is this? Former FTX CEO will remain in jail pending his sentencing on March 28th. And today I'm going to show you the charts. There are actually similarities according to the chart. If you're going to compare prior to the FTT crash, I will show you the comparison with the BNB chart, guys. So stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. And also, I'm going to update you with the charts that we have discussed yesterday. I have with me here DYDX, Solana, Polygon Matic, BTC, Ethereum, BNB, and also XRP. Watch out for XRP, guys. And thank you for joining me, guys. We have Philip, also Lancelot Kanai joining us today, and Manpreet. All right, so another thing that we need to keep an eye on: 1 billion US dollars or 1 billion USDT has been minted. I hope I can also mint this amount of money easily, guys, out of I don't know if this is out of thin air, but this is huge amount of money, guys. So 1 billion USDT has been minted today, and this is according to Paolo Ardoino, public service announcement, 1 billion USDT inventory replenish on Tron network. Note, this is an authorized but not issued transaction, meaning that this amount will be used as inventory for the next period issuance request and chain swaps. So that's according to Paolo Ardoino. That's the purpose of this USDT. What do you think about the effect on Binance about ZZ accuses? So right now there's a new assigned CEO, and if you have checked the background, this CEO have a pretty solid background about the regulations, guys. So today I have followed him. I've checked the background of the new CEO. Looks like the future of Binance will be promising under his command. But so far, this is an ongoing issue, so the market will actually react to whatever news that is coming out in the market, and that is something that we need to keep an eye on very closely this coming weeks. Also, BlackRock and the possible approval of the ETF. So let me know, by the way, in the comment section, what do you think? Should we see a sell the news event once the ETF gets approved, or do you think are we going to pump directly to $140,000 for Bitcoin? Because BlackRock, ARK Invest, all of these big whales are about to join the market, and I'm gonna show you the investors of Coinbase, who's backing Coinbase, and there's a rumor actually that behind Binance, it's BlackRock actually, according to a rumor. BlackRock is behind all of this. What is happening to Binance? BlackRock is behind. So I'm gonna show you one article today, and Il Capo of crypto is back, guys. Is back. And he is still targeting $12,000 for Bitcoin. So according to him, the market is wrong, and he is right. All right. So let me know. Are you following Il Capo Crypto? So he was shorting Bitcoin from $16,000 and until now $38,000. His narrative is still not yet invalidated, guys. He's still pushing for a 12,000 Bitcoin. What do you think? Should we see a drop to 12,000? Are we expecting a drop? So according to his thesis, my thesis during this year has been that the move from the lows has been a bear market rally. So according to him, this move from 16,000 to 38,000 is a part of the bear market rally, and mostly manipulated by the same people in order to make everyone believe that the bull market has already started. So if you have been following me on Twitter, guys, I have shared with you my thoughts about Bitcoin when it hit the $16,000. Because majority, around 90% of the crypto Twitter accounts, big accounts, are expecting 10,000 BTC during that time, and we have seen the market just rally and crashing all the short positions, guys. I don't agree with his vision, El Capo. Imagine BlackRock sells all of the of MicroStrategy, as they own most of the company BTC 12K, then go up micro BTC. Hey, Chill, can you check what can be the good spot entry for PETH for long term, if possible? Actually, I've shared PETH like 2 days ago, and now I think it had pumped by 40-50%, guys. And I'm gonna continue to share with you some of this micro caps, possible gems on my Twitter account, in our free public Telegram group. So El Capo is still waiting for $12,000, guys, and he had already capitulated with most of his position, but he is still holding his he's very proud of the 60% gain that he made in BNB, shorting BNB at around $300. So he is holding the trade for almost a year. So I don't know. What do you think of that? What do you think of his trade? I think he have replied to my previous comment last time here. Let me share with you guys. So let me just find it very quickly. I think that was yesterday. Let's see. Binance, right? So seems correct. Here, I think this one, or not that one. Here. So he's very proud of this trade, guys. So BNB perpetual future 67% gain. He has shorted at $300. So I think this is the only trade he got left because most of the trade got liquidated or he got tapped out. He was shorting BTC at $16,000 and he got a lot of followers, 700,000. My goodness, and I think that's the. Because 90% should lose, guys, because only 10% make it in trading. So he explained here, he replied, 6 months old trade. The funding fee will kill all the profits made on this trade. It's actually a position, according to him, it's actually a position I've been building during the entire 2023. The biggest one I've ever had and very proud of it. So he's proud. I think he's going to talk about this during the Thanksgiving, guys. Here's my 60% gain. Right. Those who have been following me, all the updates on Telegram, blah, blah, you didn't even answer. They're going to funny me. All right. So if you're following Capo, congratulations, you got wrecked. And let's move on. So FTT and BNB, according to this, I think there's a Japanese character here. Follies at Follies is his Twitter handle, and this is his chart, guys. So this is the FTT chart prior to the crash, and if you are following me on Twitter, I have actually predicted the FTT fall, guys. So this was the chart of FTT when it was trading at around 25. Have actually shorted FTT from 25 to $1, and majority of our VIPs in Discord, I think, were able to join that trade. So congratulations to that. That was a beautiful trade of the year, I think. So here, according to this guy, where is that? So according to this guy, similar chart is brewing here. So this is the FTT chart on the left and the BNB chart on the right. And actually, this looks right, guys, because looking at the weekly time frame, again, I've discussed this on my previous video. According to the chart alone, without considering the amount of BNB in Binance, they are actually holding 30% of BNB, 30% Bitcoin, 30% BNB, 30% USDT, and 10% Solana, distributed in different altcoins and stable coins. So that's the entire portfolio of Binance according to DeFi Llama. So this chart right here, the support, major support will be $200, guys. And if I see a weekly candle closing below 200, I will really start to panic, and maybe I'm still holding my short position, by the way. I've shorted BNB at around this level here, near the 50 exponential moving average. So this is forming a descending triangle pattern with a resistance level, with this resistance at around 259. This is in confluence with this resistance trend line, all right? And also, this is still trading inside the descending triangle pattern. Descending triangle pattern is a bearish pattern, guys. Bearish pattern, according to the if you are looking at chart patterns, and the possible target of this is to measure this move, guys. So the length of from the top to the bottom of this triangle. This is how you get the breakout target of this. So possible 77 according to this descending triangle pattern. But looking at the chart alone, if the price breaks below 200 dollars for BNB, there's actually not much trade on this area, guys. That is why this is very concerning just by looking at the chart. But according to Binance, it is fully backed, and they are not using BNB to as a collateral. So according to Binance, BNB is fully backed and not being used as a collateral. It's showing in another screen on the stream. Oh my goodness. So this was the chart. Forgot to switch the screen, guys. So again, this is BNB, and trading below. It's showing on the screen. I can't see the chart already. Sorry. So this is forming a descending triangle pattern, and we have this 50 exponential moving average in confluence with this resistance trend line. And this was my previous short entry. I'm still holding my short position for BNB. This looks like a bearish engulfing candle here. So 3 candles followed by a huge red candle, bearish engulfing candle, and right now this weekly candle is closing below the support, guys. So it is likely that BNB could actually drop up to this level. We have also a bearish or the order block at around this level. This is 17.65 million. Thanks, by the way, for informing me, guys. So again, $200 will be the major support for BNB. Keep an eye on this very important level. Once you see a daily candle closing below, or the weekly candle will actually confirm this one. So weekly candle closing below $200 for BNB. That's the time we start to look for a short opportunity, guys. And by the way, all charts and TA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. So according another news here from the street.com, with an approved BlackRock ETF, the Bitcoin price will hit $141,000. According to this article, new research finds institutional interest in spot Bitcoin ETF would draw 14 billion to the crypto market within a year of approval. So this is actually possible, guys. This is actually possible. And this is George talking here. If you're following me, I'm George. We're all George. So he is a crypto or Bitcoin bull, and he is just trying to DCA, spot DCA for long term. And he actually mentioned that BlackRock, this is just a rumor, BlackRock could be behind the Binance saga, guys. So here's the investors of Coinbase. Where is that? So let's check the investors of Coinbase, guys. So top owners of Coinbase. So Vanguard, ARK Invest, I think these are the biggest. Fidelity is also one, and BlackRock. So they are applying for spot Bitcoin ETF. And I think most of the users in the US are using Coinbase. I think one of the reasons why behind this is just a rumor is because US don't want Binance to get involved once the spot Bitcoin ETF get approved. So Binance right now is out of the game. Coinbase is in the game right now. So ARK Invest is one of the investors, and also Vanguard, BlackRock, and Fidelity are some of the biggest Coinbase investors, guys. All right, so here, according to this article, new report from the head of research at Coinbase, CoinShares has found that approval of spot Bitcoin exchange traded ETF could attract 14.4 billion of inflows in its year to propel Bitcoin's price to $141 by the end of 2025. So I think that is possible. If you're going to check the the long-term price curve of Bitcoin, we could actually hit $141,000. But I am just being conservative for long-term. I'm still holding my Bitcoin in spot from $16,000, but I am not holding it for very, very long term. I'm just trading it as per the cycle, guys. So I bought it from $16,000. I'm gonna sell when we reach around 70, 80,000. I'm gonna start disposing my Bitcoin, and then I'm gonna repeat once we see another cycle. Bear market, you buy at lows and we sell on high. So that is a pretty good return in long term. You will not be able to find that much return if you put all your money in the bank. The biggest you can get is around 1 to 2%. Normal savings account. And if you're going to put it on time deposit, and I think the biggest you can get will be around maybe 6%. But Bitcoin will give you easy 2x, 3x from the current level. So you will not be able to find that in the traditional bank. All right. So next is the let's check the amount of long and short position before we the amount of liquidation, by the way, in the past 24 hours. So mostly majority short positions are getting liquidated. And by the way, guys, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Yesterday, I think we have reached 19 likes. My goal daily is to reach just 20 to 50 likes, guys. So if we can reach 50, I would really appreciate all your support. So smash that like, and of course, if you are new to the channel, click that notification bell, leave some comments in the comment section down below. I will try to address most of them. One of the comment that I have received yesterday is the intro was too long, so I have cut down the intro shorter. And the amount of liquidation in the past 24 hours in Binance alone is around 61%. So the longs and short position right now are confused whether to long Bitcoin at current level or to short Bitcoin at the current level. Later, I'm going to show you the chart, guys. And overall, 61% short position has been liquidated at around $39 million. Very thin volume right now. I think the market is waiting for a confirmation, guys. And also here are some of the charts that we have discussed yesterday. Ethereum bull flag pattern is still in play. The price yesterday was trading at around 2021, and I've shared one long position in our VIP Discord. Also, we have discussed DYDX, possible retrace on this level. This is around 3.3. Short-term target will be this resistance area at around 3.8. So let's check the price update today. So Ethereum was up by 890%. I was holding this swing long at around $1,900. And also watch out for this ADA, guys. ADA is about to break out. And looking at this Fibonacci retracement level, we could actually see if ADA will break above this zone resistance right here, then it is likely that we could see ADA revisit the 0.4 level on the weekly time frame. So that will take medium to long-term target. And next is DYDX. So yesterday we have seen the price trade at around this area. We have seen the retest today, this yellow area right here, and that was actually a 6% move, guys. The price got rejected from this very high order block. So this is just today. Yesterday, we don't have this limit orders and order block at around this area. So right now, DYDX got rejected on this area. We still have this very high order block, 6.72 million orders on this area. So we have seen this sell pressure at around this area, guys. You see this week right here. This was the previous pivot point, November 20. And today we got rejected from this area. 200 EMA and 50 EMA is still holding as a support. This remains valid. This still looks like on the retested support, guys. So that's for DYDX. Ideal breakout target for this falling wedge remains at 4.3. Likely target will remain at 3.8. Short-term to medium-term target. And for Solana, this was the previous head and shoulders pattern. Played out well. Beautiful. We have hit the short-term target here. And right now, this is the area that we are looking at, guys. So we have the support trend line here. The price broke out from the support. And right now, we are seeing a retested support here. So same target for Solana. And we have actually, keep an eye on these levels, guys. We have order blocks waiting in this area. So possible short-term target, take profit on the zone. My Solana trade is up. I have shorted Solana at this level. So that was a 3% move. If you're trading leverage or short-term trades, this is already in a very good profit, guys. If you're trading 25x, that will give you around 80% gain. And keep an eye on this order block levels for Solana. This is around 54 short-term. Solana might revisit this area and consolidate at around this area, guys. But medium-term, possible. The price could still revisit 51, back to 51. Looking at the weekly time frame, by the way, for Solana. So on the weekly time frame, we have seen the breakout here, the breakout, and let's see. So rejection here, support, short-term support at 56.2. If the weekly candle closes below $56, guys, we might see Solana revisit this area here, $45. So watch out for the weekly candle close. The weekly candle close will close on November 28th. So that's for Solana. And Polygon Matic, head and shoulders pattern, perfect short position entry here. That was a beautiful trade. Again, as what I explained yesterday, if you watched my stream yesterday, I'm expecting a rejection here. This previous bullish order block will turn as a resistance right now. We have very high order block here. The price is seeing a sell pressure at around this area. So this is 25 million OB level. We have support short term, so expect this kind of move, guys. This 50 EMA is also acting as resistance right now for Polygon, so I think we might see the price short term rejected from this area. We might see the price retest this one more time at around 0.797. So possible consolidation here for short term. In between this area, we have two OB levels here. Let's check how many percent is this. This is around 5%. So watch out for this possible area, guys. Price could consolidate on this area for short term, 1 hour time frame. And for BTC, the price got rejected from this area here, bearish order block zone, guys. We still have this very high OB, very high order block at around this level, 4.22K BTC is on this level. So Bitcoin is still trading in an overall uptrend, still trading in above this support trend line. So possible price action. Again, the price is retesting this support, guys. We have order blocks here, so expect the price to just stay on this level while waiting for a confirmation from the news, guys. So this is going to break out soon. We will see a break of either a resistance here or the support. So once you see a confirmation, that's the time you can enter a possible swing trade, guys. So if the price breaks above this level, 37,000 or $38,000, next target will be 39,000 up to $40,000. So time is up. We'll just finish the charts very quickly before we end the stream. And again, thanks for joining me today, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you have any questions or clarifications. I'll try to answer them on the next stream. Are we following Moon Boys? ETH, please. CRV, please. So we have Ethereum, last chart here. So for Bitcoin, guys, wait for a confirmation. Still, this is trading inside this support trend line and resistance here. I'm going to show you the book map right now. So let's check the levels, important levels. We have this, 37,800. We have 800 BTC. Liquidity zone, guys. Liquidity zone for Bitcoin. So we have at around 36,200, 700 BTC, and at around 37,800. 37,800. Where's my? So 37,800 at this level here. We have liquidity. Very high liquidity on this area. 800 BTC is waiting on this area, and 36,200. 36,200. So this is pretty accurate, guys. Chart prime OB levels are pretty accurate. So this is almost the same as what we are looking at the book map right now. So according to Bookmap, two possible liquidity zones, guys, 36,300 and 37,000. This is actually in confluence with our chart here and order blocks from Chart Prime. So if you want to use Chart Prime, by the way, they have a Black Friday sale, guys, and they have a risk-free trial. If you're going to use my referral link in the description down below, all the indicators that I'm using in majority of my charts, except for MACD, are all Chart Prime. This is this indicator right here is Chart Prime Oscillator Pro. All of this order blocks, order block level, EMA, dynamic reactors. These are all Chart Prime. So current levels that we need to keep an eye on is 36,500. Up to 36,000 level.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
All right. So keep an eye on this level, guys. We need to wait for a confirmation for Bitcoin. Right now, these are my current position. I'm still holding my Ethereum long. I'm just trying to DCA and scalp short term. So I have already taken profit for my Ethereum, 657 realized profit here. Of course, I'm using FairDesk. If you want to trade with me on FairDesk, they are giving out 100 USDT giveaway for first-time users. Where's the previous giveaway? Here. So congratulations to the user ID 6456215. You have won $100 on your account. The next round will be the 15th round, guys. So in order for you to get qualified on this a bonus or giveaway, all you have to do is just to sign up, of course, using my referral link in the description down below. And if you are a whale, FairDesk is offering a VIP 3 or VIP 4 level where you can get a higher discount on trading fees, and of course you'll get trading fee very, very low if you are trading above 100,000 total trading volume. And of course, after creating an account, you can open one trade, and you will be qualified on this FairDesk giveaway. So right now, I'm still holding my Ethereum long, guys. Here's the Ethereum chart. We'll check the Ethereum chart next. So Ethereum breaking above this bull flag pattern. So we are seeing similar price action right now. So previously, we have seen this. This was the previous bull flag here for Ethereum. Break of resistance here, and then we have seen the price consolidate short term, and then boom. So right now we are still seeing the price trading above this resistance trend line right now, and the price got rejected from this very high order block at around 2081 up to 2094. So congratulations, by the way, to those who were able to get into the trade. This was one of the trades that I have shared yesterday on my stream. So if you are joining me on my stream daily, I will continue to update you with my trades and with the possible gems that we might find. So today, we are over time. 38 minutes. All right, so let's go back to Ethereum, guys. So Ethereum still bullish, guys. It's still in an overall uptrend. So I'm expecting the same price action. We have this supports here, 200 exponential moving average. This is around 2016, and this 50 exponential moving average at around 2030. Very high order block. This will serve as a short-term resistance for Ethereum. So probably we're going to see a small consolidation, possible wick up to this level here, just to shake out the late long positions, and then we might see the price continue to move up with the 20% target, $2,300. But short term, we might see a price rejection at around 2,140. So if you are holding a short or a long position, rather, I would take some profit at around this area and hold some up to $2,300. Kingfisher shows liquidation 37,800 according to Endless Web. All right, so let's check some of the comments here before we end the stream. And by the way, thanks for joining me, guys. Don't forget to leave some comments, leave some funny comments in the comment section down below. We might do some USDT giveaway. So instead of giving it out on Twitter, we'll do it here on YouTube. So we have also Adil Muhammad. Can you see Sharp USDT? I don't know what this what Shrap is. We have also Lancelot Canoy joining us today. So I think that's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining me again. Let's help me to reach 50 likes daily. So press that like, subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. Leave some comments in the comments section down below. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.